Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video how to make metal oval image in Microsoft Outlook. So let's started. At first open your document. Firstly going to the insert menu option and click for the picture option. Then click for this device option and click the any choose picture. Then picture is the smallest. Now I can see that going to the picture style option and click for the middle oval option, then for click, that is okay. Finally make metal oval image is show. I hope enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.